So karon na ako sa syudad sa Carcar o akong tilawan ang ilang mga pagkaon rin sa gawas sa simbahan. O kuyog na ko si Abron namin sa Sino nga bro?
Paul.
Oh, Paul. Si JP o si Rob. So on Miss Carcar. Ngohiong. Among tilawan dire.
Okay.
So nasa karon sa Carcar og lami ng drinks dire kay. So ni na sito,
Yung sito,
Misty, buko,
ulaman.
laman. Sama ni Ngohiong. Ako dito ginagawa sa Cebu. So namin ron sa isawan, kaya mo tilawan nilang isaw na perinito.
Sausaw dire ba tayo?
Sausaw ko na silang. Yan. Yum, yum, yum. Ako, nalingaw yung ko. Ay, lang mo yung kape niya. Ya, barato ra. 73 ra mong gasto, upat ng kabuok. So, lang iso, tag-3 na. So, bisita mo din sa Carcar kung na may panahon. O, salamat sa pagtanaw. O,
Ay,
padayon lang.
Carcar at yung merkado tapo kaon lechon.
Video lang eh.
Ay,
If ever you come to Carcar, it would be weird if you don't taste their lechon. So if you just come here to Carcar to the public market, then you will be treated with a lot of lechon stalls here. And actually, they give you a free taste of their lechon if you want. It's so awesome, and they're way cheaper than the lechon in Cebu City. You're in Carcar, you're gonna eat in the Herderia near the lechon place. You just have to buy the rice and sambayan here. But yeah, the difference between the lechon Cebu and lechon Carcar is lechon Carcar is more saucy because they pour out the juice of the lechon. Plus, it's way cheaper than the city and tastier. So, although I feel that it doesn't travel that well, but if you're in Carcar, it's a no-brainer that you have to eat lechon here. That's the signature food of Carcar. So thank you so much for watching, and yeah, please subscribe and like this video.